In this video, I'll be showing you tips on how to add Google Gmail account on the iPhone 16 series model. Follow the same steps to your iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Apps and search Mail App Settings. Under the Mail, see Mail Account option. Now tap on Add Account and select the account you want to add, like for Gmail account, select Google option. For Google custom domain email, use the same Google option and enter the custom domain mail account. Here, I am adding a new Gmail account, so I have to go with the Google option. Add your Gmail account login, enter your Gmail username and password. Once you log in successfully, enable Mail Toggle to use on the iPhone Mail app. Now, tap on Save from the top right corner, and that's it. Launch the Mail app from the iPhone home screen and see the recently added mailboxes. Good luck, and start using your mail. If you want to delete unused or old mail accounts from your iPhone only, follow the same steps. Under the Settings app, scroll to Apps and find the Mail app. See the Mail Accounts option. Select the account you want to delete and choose Delete Account. Please wait for a while, and that's it. Your mail account is removed from your iPhone Mail app. Okay, as you can see on my iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't miss to like, share your feedback and question.